Imagine parking a van on the side of a quiet mountain road and stepping inside a space that feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. A full-size bed, a real kitchen, a private bathroom, and a comfortable lounge area, all built into one smart, compact camper van. This is the 2025 Iveco Gredia 5K, and today we're taking a full tour inside one of the most complete camper vans on the road. The 2025 Iveco Gredia 5K is designed for travelers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Built on a reliable Iveco platform, this camper van blends intelligent design with practical living. Every inch of space has a purpose. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, long road trips, or full-time van life, this camper van is designed to feel like home wherever you stop. As soon as you step inside, the first thing you notice is the lounge area. Comfortable seating surrounds a central table, creating a welcoming living space that feels open and relaxed. The layout allows you to sit, eat, work, or simply unwind. Large windows bring in natural light during the day, while soft LED ambient lighting creates a warm, cozy mood at night. This is the heart of the camper van, a place to slow down and enjoy the journey. Now let's move into the kitchen. Despite the compact size, the Iveco Gredia 5K features a fully equipped cooking area. There's a modern cooktop, a deep sink, and smart cabinetry for storage. A built-in refrigerator keeps food fresh on long trips, and everything is positioned for efficiency and ease of use. This isn't just a basic setup, it's a kitchen designed for real meals on the road. One of the most important parts of any camper van is the sleeping area. Inside the Iveco Gredia 5K, the bed is designed for comfort, not compromise. The mattress provides proper support, making it suitable for long-term